Hello, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I've got a couple of wins that I've been so lucky to have won and some swatches off of a cool hard gel collection. First I want to thank Lovely Nails by Stella. I won a stamper with a scraper from Born Pretty and two lovely plates. There was also a pigment in there, but I reorganized and I can't find it all of a sudden. These are nice highly etched plates. This is number 106. And this one is Born Pretty number 2. All these lovely lace designs. Can't wait to use those. Again, thank you, Lovely Nails by Stella. I'll put her Instagram handle down below. And the next I won off of Renee's Nails on Instagram. And at first, the way she had it set up, I thought this was a stamper. But no, it's actually a polish. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm just getting into it. It's called Bummed Out. And it's called Booty Babe Nail Lacquer. Can you imagine that? Booty Babe Nail Lacquer. It's got a little booty on here. Hope I don't get targeted for this one. Let me find a nail and we'll swatch this out real quick. So this is Booty Babe Nail Lacquer. Yes, Booty Babe, look at that shape. The name says it all. Let's just test this out. It's a regular polish, so I need to give it a good shake. Ooh, look at that orange. Just look at it. I've never seen this brand before. It's like quite a cool color. Well, that's drying. It came in this cool little box. Let that dry. I also won these rings. Let's see what all. Isn't that lovely? I love knuckle rings. Ooh, elephants. Leaves. All sorts. Look at that. A blue little gem. Another blue one. A little sea turtle. How cute. And there were some nail decals. Some nail accessory stickers. Some more nail decals. And more nail decals. These are easy to just up any mani real quick with. Love it. Thank you. I like it just as one coat. That's a lovely polish. Love it, love it, love it. My third win this month was this lovely Alpha liner brush from Growling Cheetah. She did both an Instagram and a YouTube giveaway. I won off of Instagram. Look at that. It's so high quality. This is real wood. Can't wait to use it. Thank you, Growling Cheetah. I don't even want to put it back in here. Yes, we got it in there. Safe and sound. Thank you, Growling Cheetah. She's on YouTube and Instagram with the same name. Put her info below. And of course, most of you know that I love to shop at the Nail Hub. www.thenailhub.com. I love it. They have accents, light elegance. They have the Erica bits, everything. So I went there to buy this for my problem fingers. That things pop off. This one's staying pretty good with the light elegance method. This one I've reapplied using the light elegance methods and my own bond. But I'm trying out the extreme bond pretty soon. This is from Accents. It works both with UV and LED soak off or hard gels. Most of you know that I am addicted to Accents, Light Elegance, and I love that I can buy them both on one site. And there's the name, X-Bond. Just look for their bonding on the Nail Hub. I'll try to put a link below. And I got a little crazy. I went and got their whole collection of options. This is the soak off. Oops, I just had them upside down. I'll swatch these out for you. Got the whole collection of the glass. Now, I didn't win this, I bought this. Because I've had some nail ideas in my head for over a year. I finally buckled down and said, let's go ahead and get these. So I'm gonna swatch them out for you. Because I need to see what they look like. Now this is the white. I certainly should not have to label these, but I will label the brand after. I had my husband remove the plastic or the metal seal for me. I haven't seen these yet. So I haven't even seen these. This is their white from the Glass Options Glass. Let's see. Yeah, it does look like white glass. I'm not using my normal gel brush just because I was afraid of the colors that are coming. I've seen the pictures. These are the soak-offs versus hard gels that Accents has a lot of. This is my first time touching this kind of vibrant colors, and I can say this is going to be quite lovely. I did ask a couple of my nail tech friends about washing off your brushes or not. That's quite cool. And they recommended just wiping in with alcohol so you know for sure what the color is going to do. Look at this. This is the pink. Glass pink. Let's just dig right in. I am wiping my brush off in between, just on a lint-free wipe and alcohol. Oh, oh. It is glass. Few of you do know that I am hooked on translucent colors. I've got some nail designs coming up that will use these. Oh, the ideas. I've been wanting to get these for a while. I was actually going to try the gel in the bottle, but they are always sold out. Then I saw on Instagram, Accents has the same type of thing. Look at that. Put a white. This is only one coat. This really looks like glass. And this is the red. Look at that. Pot of gorgeous, luscious redness. I'm doing this upside down. Remember, I haven't cured anything yet. This is only a light coat because these are hard gels, not a gel polish. But I wanted to see about what the colors range would be. Trying to see how thick I will need it to get the effect that I'm looking for. I had this nail art idea in my head for I don't know how long. It's one thin coat of the red. I am wiping it off. This is the Options Glass Yellow. Ooh, I got some on my finger. Ooh, it's so cool. I could use this in many designs. See what they look like to get them in my head to what I want to use them for. This is the options glass green. Look at that. You can see what it will look like over white. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do it over a white nail, over clear nail. I've got so many uses for these. You may see me using them before you see my swatch video. I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm just stunned. Okay, now to the options blue. Ooh, look at that color. Ooh, it's so thin. All of these have been really viscous. Be very easy to manipulate on your nails. Remember, these are builders. You can build them up as thick, and you can make them darker. But these are the UV soak off builders. You can remove them with 100% acetone, like acrylic nails. I should say most acrylic nails. There's probably some out there now that don't soak off that I'm not aware of. Ooh, lovely. Let's nuke these before they drip. So again, this is the red. That's how it would look over your nail. Quite lovely. This is the pink. This is the white. I mean, these two really, look at the nail bed color that's making. That would look so lovely with a white French tip. I may do a glass French nail. And then this is the glass blue. The green, oops, I'm sorry. This is the glass blue. This is the green, and this is the yellow. Could you imagine clear tips in these colors? Ooh. Because you can build your extensions straight out of these colors. They'd be a little bit darker. Or put a layer of the hard gel in between. Another clears. Or over white or any color. Because I'm showing you over a pink and like a natural whitish color. So it looks kind of like a natural nail in person. But this is actually pink builder underneath. That's the black. It's like a smoky effect. It's over my skin. Just pretty cool. And I've got all these pots I've got to use for my nail arts. Oh boy. Yeah, I went a little crazy. But I do thank the lovely ladies for Nays Nails. Lovely Nails by Stella and Growling Cheetah for those 3 giveaways. The alpha brush, the stamping supplies, and powder, and the whole bunch of nail art. I really do appreciate everybody. I appreciate everybody watching. Again, remember, these are hard gels, but they are soak-offs. The accents, let me explain this a little bit more. The accents that come in the rose gold color pot called options are soak-off hard gels. I didn't even see the stir before use, but I believe they were stirred enough in shipping. They're both UV and LED option gel. These are soak off. Thank you for watching, everyone. Remember, if you do use these, you will need to top coat them because these are hard gels. These are not polishes. But I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. Thank everyone for watching. If you haven't hit the subscribe button already, hit subscribe and hit the little bell down there. If it's red, you're not subscribed. If it's gray, you're subscribed. I appreciate everybody. I thank you all. You want to see some cool arts with these coming up? Hit that bell. And we'll see y'all here next time. Until then, you be you, I'll be me. That's all we can be, right? Bye-bye and have a great day.